One of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings. Now scroll down and click on Intelligent Assistance. After that, you need to scroll down and click on Single Hand Mode. Now scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to one-handed mode operation to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. So now when I swipe on my navigation bar from home button, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, just click on this dark area. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely though, tap on the switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!